Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. Today, I want to show you how to invest practically on bamboo investment platforms. I will be showing you the way to do this to invest so that wherever you register appropriately on this particular investment platform, which has been, which is being regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission. So I want to show you practically how you can be able to invest on this particular space for just 100 units of Aradel. Aradel is one of the, oil and gas company in Nigeria. So and they have been good. They have been doing very wonderfully well. So I will be showing you practically how you can buy this particular stock on bamboo. So if you go to your bamboo account, if you have registered appropriately, you go to your bamboo account. When you go to your bamboo account, in order for you to be able to buy this particular then you move. There are series of investment you can do on this particular space. You can do US stocks, you can do Nigerian stocks, you can do treasury bills on bamboo, and you can do naira savings on bamboo, you can do fixed returns on bamboo, and you can do managed portfolio on bamboo. But this time around, we want to do Nigerian stock, and the stock that we are about to buy is Aradel. You want to buy Aradel worth of 100 units. So you click on Aradel. The current price of Aradel is 925 naira. So you click on buy. When you click on buy now, then you put your 100 that you want to buy, which will give you 92,500. Then you move on. From there, you review your order. Very simple. When you review your order, then you place your order. Then you place your order. That is the way it works. And immediately your order is accepted, then you are waiting for your account to be credited. Your account will be credited with the number of units that you have bought for that particular space. So it's still, it's still sending the order. Fine. The order has been submitted. Then, okay, thanks you. So that by the time you review your account, maybe in the next 20 minutes, you will have the stock must have been bought by this bamboo, and then it will have been listed among your investment. So it's a very simple way for you to be able to invest on Aradel. So you can see pending orders 100 shares of Aradel. After some time, if this order is successful, it will be credited to my CSCS account. That's just the way to go about investing in Nigerian stock through bamboo. So on bamboo, you can do US stocks and you can do Nigerian stock. At the same time, you can convert your naira to US dollar, where you can be able to use that dollar to be able to buy US stock. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, what I just want you to do for me is to like this video and move on. When you like this video, you subscribe to my channel. Whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you will be among the first person to be able to watch. If you go and look at this my Aradel, it must have been added into my account because it has been successful. So click on my stocks, and then you see, I want to see every stock that I have. If you look around, let's go and check if we have the Aradel on the list. Yes, we have Aradel on holding. If you can see here, we have Aradel holding, which is if you want to check my holding, I've bought 100 units running to 92,500. That's just the way to go about this stock. So if you enjoyed this video, just like this video and subscribe to my channel so that subsequently you can see this particular episode.